performance evaluation of digital electronics using the Vicar method. Introduction. Conventional neural network challenges in digital electronics. 80% of time used to perform conventional calculation. High. Computational demands facing significant delays. Critical. Matrix multiplication slow down CNN operations. What is the Vicar method? Compromise finds the best solution closest to the ideal while balancing group utility and individual regret. Dimensionless normalization. Convert different measurement unit into a comparable dimension scale. Where is it available? Fuzzy Vicar comprehensive interval regret theory based Vicar versions. Multiple criteria evaluates alternatives or several computing criteria at the same time. Decision support provides a structured quantitative basic for complex decision making problems. Simple calculations. Straightforward mathematical formulation accessible to decision makers. For electronic categories under evaluation, analog electronics, signal change smoothly over time. It uses components like resistors, capacitors, indicators, transistors, and operational amplifiers. Power electronics, conversion and control of electrical power spans in industrial, automotive, aerospace, and consumer domains. Quantum electronics based on quantum machines and optics include QD, infrared detectors, biosensor. Communication system send information using transmitters and receivers. It is the main system that connect the worldwide. Control system. Controls how a system works using sensor controllers and accelerators, very important for automation. Evaluation criteria, the 4 parameters. Noise unity.